EdPuzzle is a free website that allows you to embed questions within a video. It allows students to re-watch segments of videos to help answer their questions, and it gives a wide range of data back to teachers. And it works great with Google Classroom. So Carly will tell you more.
What I like about EdPuzzle is that it allows for that flipped classroom experience, and then you can still choose how you want to deliver the content. So kind of based on our district homework policy and just how much homework I like to assign in 7th grade science, I tend to use it as an in-class activity. But as you can see here on my screen, when you Google EdPuzzle, it is spelled like it sounds. And if you click on the For Teachers link, the website does a wonderful job of giving you a whole bunch of tutorials. So if you're curious about making your own videos, it's very easy to get started. The other thing that I like about EdPuzzle is that there is a wonderful library of videos that teachers like myself have already made and that you can draw from. And you can also take turns in a PLC being the person to make one and then sharing them with links to other people in the PLC. And it's yours for year after year to use. So another wonderful feature that they just improved themselves in was they added the Google Classroom feature. So now it is ridiculously easy to push out the EdPuzzle videos that you make. So you can see over here on the side my classes, and then when I make content, I can decide how I want to push that out. And so these particular videos I've made, I teach 3 sections of science, and I've pushed them out to my science classes. Other things that you can see on your dashboard are the percent of that students are complete. So it can be even a quiz format. There's all kinds of graded applications for this. I'll take you to progress just so you can see what it looks like here. So it'll tell me the percent progress that students have made it through. And I don't necessarily value that. I haven't been using it as something that I grade, but it certainly is intended to be used that way if you would like it to. Let me take you into my content and I'll show you how magical this is. So I really like Amoeba Sisters videos on YouTube, but again, like I said, sometimes showing a YouTube video to the whole class can have a little sense of blah to it. And so you can individualize student study experiences by dropping in a video from their video library, and EdPuzzle connects itself to YouTube and actually a couple other video platforms. So it's pretty easy to get videos that you like, or if you can't find the exact video, a similar version of a video that you like into the EdPuzzle format. And once you select a video to put in, you watch it and then you pause it at various points and you can write questions for it. So this entire assignment, I actually just wanted students to be working in a foldable that I had assigned them. So I wrote questions that asked them to stop and work in their foldable and to just click OK when done. I'll go ahead and play for you so you can see what this might look like.
Could have a whole course on the cell membrane itself. It has amazing structure.
So what I did is I actually, using the scissor feature in their editor, I was able to cut the video to just the exact part that I wanted. So you can see it didn't start at the beginning. Really, why does it need to start at the beginning if I just want to deliver exactly 5 minutes and 48 seconds of content instead of maybe 8 minutes and 5 seconds of content.
It has signaling abilities, but to stick
and
carbon dioxide.
Here is an example of what it does when it gets to a question. Now, a wonderful feature about this is you can select for this to not allow students to fast forward. If you want, kind of like Khan Academy does, if you want to make sure that they make it to each individual question. The con of that is that if students need to go back and watch it, they can get a little frustrated having to stop at every question again. So on the mitosis assignment that I made for them this week, I made sure to allow them to fast forward since I knew it would take them a couple days to get through the assignments. So you can see I was able to be super detailed with what I needed them to do, but you could also do multiple really like this tool. I think the one last thing I will just show you is how much content there is on here. There are just tons of things, and they have all of the channels over here that you could make content from. So this is EdPuzzle.